To activate Hive on Zeppelin notebook, first of all, ensure that you install the standard version of Dataproc, version 2.3. 2025 is the first time it's published with Hadoop 3.3 and Spark 3.5. And when you get to the cluster, when it's running, go to web interfaces. Ensure while you are installing this and selecting this, you also um, activate Zeppelin Notebook, Jupyter Notebook as well while you are installing. Then it will be available in the web interfaces for both Jupyter Notebook and Zeppelin Notebook. When you get to the Zeppelin Notebook, Hive is not available at the beginning. So if you try to run a command such as show databases, it gives you an error that the interpreter of Hive is not found. So you click on this, get to the interpreter, and create a new interpreter. Call it Hive, and interpreter group is JDBC. As the guide shows you, if I open the guide, so the guide is available on the Hive directory. So activating Hive interpreter on this image, you need to open the interpreter as I showed you. This is the default URL for the interpreter, so copy that. So this is the default URL. So Hive JDBC, this is the default URL. Remove the username and password here. There should be a default driver. So the driver is this one. I can copy that. So I just replace the driver here. Don't change anything. You just need to add two artifacts. Artifacts are the dependencies. This is the first one. Copy that. Get to this section. This is the first one, and you can add another one. The other one is the second one for this version. And you click on save. Now Hive is available. It takes some while to be activated. When you see the green circle in front of it, it means that you can make use of this interpreter from now. Getting to the notebook, create a new notebook. You can just call it whatever you want, test Hive, for example. Choose the default interpreter of Hive, not necessarily, but then the default interpreter will be Hive. You can start by writing Hive on top of the cell. And let's just write a Hive command such as show databases and run it with Shift Enter or this play button. If everything is done correctly, you will see the default database, which is the only database when it exists. You can also create additional databases. For example, create database testdb and run it. Query executed. I will run show databases one more time, and you see the testdb also is here. So hopefully it helped you to activate Hive on your cluster.